Well. Isn't this a wonderful surprise? I think I know what company this is from, but I don't know what is actually in here. Oh, holy shit! Woo-hoo! Today, we got a lovely little care package from Scuf Controllers. Wow, dude, come on, let's go. These guys hooked it up, dude. Okay, so I knew this was coming, fully aware that I was gonna be checking out a Scuf controller, but I can't believe it's come this soon, and there's no way that I got something that I'm supposed to be getting today. Because if I got it that fast, these people work quick. So as you guys know, I'm mainly a PC gamer, but I do have a console. I'm using PS4. I don't mind playing on console every now and then, and obviously being a member of SOAR Gaming, there are a lot of people on console. So being able to interact with those friends that do play on console, it's nice from time to time. I just use a standard PS4 controller, and SOAR reached out to me, some of the SOAR peeps, and said, hey, what's your experience with Scuf? And I'm like, well, I had a Scuf controller back in 2013, but that's about the last time I've really dived deep into one. And they're like, oh, well, that's unacceptable because they're insane now. We want you to check one out. So the lovely folks over at Scuf Gaming and SOAR have hooked me up to test out a couple of these. Today we're just gonna be doing an unboxing, kind of first look. It's been years since I've dealt with a Scuf Gaming product. Already the presentation, you get the shirt, you got the hat. I'm feeling welcome here. I'm feeling like I don't wanna go to do some 4th of July stuff this weekend, and I wanna sit inside and game. I got the Scuf PS4 Pro and the Scuf Impact. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use Scuf controllers. I've been told that this is going to change my experience majorly. So you get this nice little sleeve, and then instantly this nice embroidered Scuf logo. Oh, this is clean. Let's take the sheets back. Okay, product guide right off the rip. Oh my, oh, okay. So they sent me the SOAR Scuf Gaming controller as, oh my God, that is so light. It's so light and sturdy, holy sh. Oh, it actually comes with the taller joysticks. I remember back in the day using, I think it's Control Freak for all my sniping montages. Dude, that is, oh, I had no idea that they started doing this like circle instead of the buttons on the left, the arrows. So you get your manual, you get a couple extra attachments, I assume. Probably a key to unlock something. Yeah, key placement. I assume this is to take off something. Oh yeah, I see that there. To take those off, I'm assuming you have to use this. I'm not gonna get that deep into it today. I'm just checking these out. Dude, that is comfortable. Look how sick that looks too. Oh my God, who designed this right here? Big shout out to the artists that designed that. Seriously, sick. So already, presentation, I'm blown out of the park, okay? If I'm just going online, I'm like, hey, I'm a big fan of SOAR Gaming. I want their controller, hook me up, Papa bless. They got me, I'm sold. This is legit. Now, I'm serious. If what is in this box is what I think it is, these people work very fast. So this is a Scuf Gaming Impact controller. Once again, you got this nice little, this nice little sleeve. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you, I think, hopefully. Oh, well, we got the owner's manual. Oh, no. This is sick. Oh my God, dude. Just seeing this makes me not want to leave my house right now. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the official Big E control. It's not like the official Big E controller. They're not selling this online. You can build yours to be just like this, and that's exactly what I did. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like a build sheet to build your own custom Big E Scuf controller. Oh man, this is light. Holy, Pardon the French, but this is exciting, man. When I say that I put this together a few days ago, literally, I put this together a few days ago. Soar reached out and was like, hey, we think it'd be really cool for you to test your own controller, maybe test the Soar controller. I was blown out of the water right away because I didn't know the options that you could get on a controller in 2020. I built this thing. As you guys know, I have like the Miami branding vibes across all of my social media content, the dark blues, the bright blues, the pinks. We don't judge here. Pink is for any color that you pick. It's 2020, no judgments. And these boxes are so comforting to see that they're secure. I know they're safe. I have no worry in the world, but I am blown out of the water with this. Wow, I don't know what to say. Big shout out to the folks at Scuff Gaming. Big shout out to the homies at Soar. I cannot wait to dive into these, test these out. I'm a mouse and keyboard player. I need to know from you, console players, get in the comments, what are some things that you want me to look out for to be able to review these products. I'm gonna go downstairs on the 65-inch new OLED Samsung TV, playing some 4K and enjoy some console gaming this next week. I'm sure I gotta test the sweat. Your boy's a thick dude. I gotta make sure my hands aren't getting super clammy. How the old fingers get after playing after a while. You know, we getting up there in age like I mentioned, getting them arthritises. But you guys let me know in the comments down below something that I should specifically look out for in reviewing these products. And by the way, guys, make sure you are using code SOAR at checkout. Maybe we can get a code Big E. Probably not. Again, I'm mainly a PC gamer. I am gonna test this on a PC level as well. But if you guys are on Scuff, you're going to check out, you're watching this video, if code Big E doesn't work on the website at checkout, make sure you guys use code SOAR. Appreciate it.